Welcome back to the OpenVINO channel. Now you can use OpenVINO to run inference on a Raspberry Pi with a Movidius VPU. Let's talk about the hardware, the installation, and how to use it. So you have created an application on your development system using OpenVINO. We have talked about all of it in previous videos. Now we want to run it on a target IoT platform. I have here a Raspberry Pi and an NCS, a neural compute stick with a Movidius VPU connected via USB. It could be NCS1 with Myriad 2 or NCS2 which has a Myriad X. Now let's talk about how to get the OpenVINO package, how to set the environment variables and get it to work, how to add USB rules as the NCS is a USB device, and how to run the face detection sample supplied with OpenVINO. But you can choose your own application. All the stages are described in detail in the link, and you can use the transcript to copy-paste them. Getting the OpenVINO package is easy. We are getting only the minimal package, which includes only the inference engine, the OpenCV, and a set of sample application. Go to Downloads directory, get the OpenVINO package, wget, and untar. The setup_vars.sh script has a variable of installed here. Let's replace it with our installation directory using this sed command. Now let's run this script to set our variables. And you get an indication that the environment variables are ready. We need to add the current Linux user to the user group. You will need to log out and log in for it to take effect. I'll just skip it. Now we need to update the USB rules to allow the compute stick to work. This script will do the trick. Install NCS udev rules. And we are all set. Now you're all set to run your application with OpenVINO inference engine. As an example, let's run one of the supplied samples. We will need to build the sample and get the required IR files, the model. Let's go to the samples directory. Many samples are here. Create a build directory and go there and build the interactive face detection demo. CMake and make. The binaries will be under arm/release. Now let's get the face detection model, the IR files. Get the bin file and the XML file and they are here. And now let's run the sample. Running the interactive face detection demo. Input model is the face detection. Device is Myriad. I will use my webcam as an input, so /dev/video0, but you can use any video file you want. And this is me. This is recorded via VNC and using Myriad 2, so it's pretty slow, but working very nice. My face detected with a Raspberry Pi and a Movidius neural compute stick. So you can now use OpenVINO on your Raspberry Pi. How cool is that? Waiting to see your projects. Subscribe to our channel and we'll send you more cool videos like this one. Thank you.